Once upon a time, in a lush forest, two hungry birds named Oliver and Emily were desperately searching for fruits to satisfy their empty stomachs. They flew from tree to tree, but all they found were bare branches and empty nests. Perched on a branch, Oliver sighed.
Emily, it seems like there are no fruits left in the entire forest. What are we going to do?
Emily, determined to remain positive, replied.
Oliver, we can't give up so easily. Let's keep searching. Perhaps there's a hidden treasure of fruits waiting for us.
They continued their quest, hopping from tree to tree, but their efforts remained fruitless. Exhausted and discouraged, Oliver sat down on a branch. Emily, refusing to accept defeat, fluttered down beside him and said,
Oliver, we've come this far. We can't lose hope now. Remember, together we are stronger.
Oliver looked at Emily, his spirit lifting.
You're right, Emily. We should never give up. Let's keep going.
As they soared through the forest, their perseverance paid off. They stumbled upon a hidden grove, brimming with an abundance of succulent fruits. Oliver and Emily rejoiced, pecking at the fruits with delight. With their bellies full, they perched on a branch and reflected on their journey. Oliver smiled at Emily and said,
Thank you for reminding me to keep going, even when it seemed impossible. We found our treasure because we believed in each other.
Emily chirped happily.
And thank you for never losing faith, Oliver. Together, we proved that even when the odds are against us, determination and teamwork can lead us to success.
And so Oliver and Emily became lifelong friends, supporting each other through thick and thin. Their tale became a reminder to all that in the face of adversity, the power of friendship and perseverance can turn barren moments into bountiful victories. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for delightful stories that will captivate and entertain your kids.